What you are seeing on the screen right now are different airdrop projects that you can get access to on the Bybit app right now. And this is a feature that a lot of people don't know exists on the Bybit app. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get access to airdrops on the Bybit app every day, every single day. Like I said earlier, this is a feature a lot of people don't know exists on the Bybit app. Now, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan. I make videos on crypto, personal finance, and how to make money online. So if you love videos on all of these topics, please like this video first, then go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. Now, I don't want to waste your time. I want to go straight to the point. Let me show you how you can get access to all of these different airdrops on the Bybit app every day. Now, as you can see right here on the screen, this is the home page of the Bybit app. But first, if you don't have a Bybit account, use the first link in the description of this video to create an account on Bybit. Now, once you've created your account via the link in the description below, go ahead and log into your account, and this is what you will have on the home page. Now, once you see this on the home page, to go to the feature where you have to get access to these airdrops, come here to where you have more. You see where you have more right here, just click on it. Now, once you click on it, come here to where you have Spot X. So you can see you have recommended, buy crypto, trade, and Spot X. So click on that Spot X right there. This is it. Now, on that Spot X, this is where you have the different ways you can get access to airdrops on the Bybit app every day. And these are the ways right here. Let me list them out. The first one is Launch Pool. Number 2 is Token Splash. Number 3 is Puzzle Hunt. Number 4, you have Mega Drop. Number 5, you have Buy Vote. Number 6, you have Airdrop Hunt. Number 7, you have Launchpad. Number 8, you have Buy Starter. These are the 8 different ways that you can have access to airdrops on the Bybit app every day. And I'm going to be explaining all of them in details, and I'll be showing you how you can actually do them step by step. I'm not just explaining, I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide, and I'll be explaining how you also get the rewards or the airdrops right here. So please make sure you pay attention to this video because I don't want you to miss any important part of it. So now let's go straight to the point. Now, if you want to go to the page, just click on Spot X right here, but I don't want to click on each one here. I want to go to the Spot X page itself, then I will explain them one by one. So I'll just click on Spot X right here. Now, right here on the screen is the Spot X page, and you can see it says benefit from new listings on Bybit Spot in many ways. Now, this is for spot trading. It's just like a way of you making money through coins that are being listed on the spot trading page on Bybit, and they give you rewards in form of airdrops. That's basically the summary of what is going on right here. And then they will just show you the summary of the total participants that have participated in the airdrop project that have been listed right here. You have over 41 million people that have participated in this. Now, if you come here or if you scroll up, it's where you have ongoing projects. These are the different ongoing projects right now. There are a lot. If you see the first one, trade build to earn. The second one, deposit or trade build to earn. Number 3, trade mega to earn. Number 4, this is number 4 right here. Number 5, let's see, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11 right here. These are 11 projects that are currently going on right now. If you come here under past performances, these are the ones that have been ended or that have closed right now. So these are the ones that have closed right here. So you have over, I think, 10 or 11 projects that you can actually participate in to get airdrops right now. And one thing a lot of people don't know is that every single day when you come on this page, there is always a project or an airdrop that is currently going on right there. So now that you've seen that we have so many ongoing projects right now, I'm very sure so many of you want me to just go ahead and click on one and show you how to make money with it. But please, before I go into that, remember that I explained or mentioned 8 different ways to get access to airdrops on this Spot X page. So please, I want to explain all of those 8 ways before we go ahead and pick one of them to actually show you the step-by-step guide. Because the truth is that they are all different. So if I go ahead and explain one or use one as an example, you might go ahead and try another one and they are different, and then you come after me or you come in the comment section and start saying all sorts. So please give me just a little time right now to just explain all of these 8 ways I listed earlier on how to get access to airdrops on this page. They are very, very important, and I'll try to make the explanation very short. So let's start with the first one. The first one is Mega Drop. So let me scroll up to where we have it. So this is Mega Drop right now. We don't have any Mega Drop ongoing project, but let me just explain it. So I'll just click on it right here. And right here is the Mega Drop page. So you have buy end product on Bybit to win point and share the new token price pool. Now for this one, in case you don't know, there are different products or end products on Bybit that you can buy into or put your money into, and then you get passive income. Now, just like for example, if you look at this right here, just look at XRP. These are examples of projects that just ended. So you can see XRP right here. If I click on it, So for this example right here, what you have to do is to actually invest some of your USDT into this project, and then they give you a percentage as passive income every single day. And then at the end of this project, they calculate the total amount of money you have invested in that project, and then based on that is what they use to calculate the amount of airdrop they are giving to you. So for example, this XRP, let's say when it was available, let's say I invested maybe $1,000 into it, you see the price pool right here. They give out 200,000 XRP coins for this. So at the end of the whole project, or at the end of the whole duration of this airdrop, they calculate the total amount of money I invested in airdrop during that time, and then they divide it by the total amount of money that everybody who participated in this also contributed, and then they multiply it by this 200,000. I hope you get it. So whatever you get right there is the amount of airdrop you will be receiving from this 200,000 XRP coin, and it is the same for every other project under mega drop right here. So that one is simple and straight to the point. I hope you got that. If you got it, let me know in the comment section below. So that's the first one. Now the second one is launch pool. So let me scroll up. So this is launch pool right here. I'll just click on it. Now for those of you that have been watching my videos from maybe 2021, 2022, I'm sure you should have an idea of what launch pool or even launchpad is all about. Now basically launch pool is like a place where you can get access to new coins or buy new coins very early. So let me explain better. So if you look at this right here, this is also another airdrop project, but this one has ended. You can see it's ended already, but let's click on it. So if I click on it right there, now for this project or this launch pool, what it means is that on the day that this project based on the day that it was launched, my job is basically to come here and then come and stake some of my coins and buy these coins very early. And it is the amount that I use in investing or buying this coin that will determine the amount of airdrop I will get. So in summary, it's just like they are rewarding you for actually investing in this coin very early, because it is a new coin and it's also a way to just make people invest in that coin very early. So you know, airdrops are like a way of marketing new coins. So that is basically what they are doing right there. And then you can see the price pool. They gave out 3 million based coins right here. So they gave out 3 million of that coin, and the event duration, this lasted for 8 days. So that means that if you invested on the day it was launched and you held it for 8 days, they'll calculate the total amount of money you invested during that period, and that is also determine the amount of airdrop you get from these 3 million based coins. I hope you get it. And then you can see the staking period. So it started on the 30th of March and lasted till the 6th of April right here. So you can see the date there. They will always show you. And then you can see the listing time. That is the day it was launched. That was 30th of March. And that was also the day that the staking period started. So like I said earlier, on the day that they launched this coin, your job is just to come here, stake your money into it or invest into it or buy it, and then your airdrop depends on how much you invest in it. So it is the same thing for every other project you see under launch pool. I hope you get it. So I've explained a mega drop, I've explained launch pool. Now the third one is token splash. So you can see it right here, token splash. Let's click on it. Now for this token splash, this one is different. So you can see it says deposit, trade, and earn from various price pools. What does that mean? Now for this one, we actually have different ongoing projects for token splash. I think that's where we have a lot. We have a lot of ongoing projects right now. So maybe by the time I'm done with the explanation, I'll use one as an example. But let me just explain how this one works. So if you look at this first one right here, let me click on it. It says trade bill to earn. Now for this, if you come here, it says trade and earn from 9 million bill price pool. So this bill coin is the new coin that was just listed today, and they are giving out 9 million of those coins right there. Now what are you to do to get out of that coin? So you can see right here, it says trade 500 USDT or more of bill on alpha to complete the task. So basically what it means is that go to the alpha trading page on Bybit and buy at least 500 USDT of the bill token. Now once you buy it, you can earn up to 60,000 bill tokens. 60,000, that's a lot. So that is for the token splash right there. So let me go back. Now this one is for alpha. You can see there are two different types right here. Let me scroll up. You have this one for alpha. So for this one, you trade it on the alpha page. This one is for the spot trading page. Now the one for spot trading page is only for new users. So you can see it right, they wrote it right there. New users only. So if you're a new user, this one is for you, and you can earn big on this one. For this one, they are giving up to 20 million bill tokens. So again, if you don't have a Bybit account, use the first link in the description below. Now I'll still come back to it because I want us to do an example of one of these coins. So now the next one after token splash is puzzle hunt. So this one is like simple from the name. Let me click on it. So for this one, it says join the puzzle hunt, complete tasks, collect puzzle pieces, and put them together to claim amazing rewards. Start your adventure today. Now, what does this mean? Now, this basically means that for any project that is ongoing right here, they will give you a puzzle to complete. And once you complete a number of puzzles, then you get your reward. So for example, this is an ongoing project right here. It's called Tria, and then you can see they are giving out 15 million of that coin as airdrop to people. These are the number of people that have signed up right now, over 56,000 people. That's a lot. So if you click on this here, you can see right here, this will end in the next 2 days. So I'll try to make sure I upload this video very soon so that you guys can be able to get access to all of these things. So you can see it right here, it will end in 2 days, 19 hours. And this is the puzzle right here. Now, it is not just one puzzle they are giving you. They'll give you different puzzles to solve. Now, once you solve those puzzles, that's when you get access to your reward. So you can see right here, if you scroll down, so you can see right here, it says collect any 3 consecutive puzzle pieces for 1 lucky draw entry. So that means that if you do 3 puzzles right there and you get them correctly, that means that you get access to 1 lucky draw entry, and 1 lucky draw entry can get you up to 3,000 Tria coins right there. So you can go ahead and check the price of 1 Tria coin so you can know how much you can get right there. So that is for puzzle hunt. That is the next one. Now after puzzle hunt, number 5 is a buy starter. So you can see it right here, buy starter. Let me click on it. So for buy starter, they also give you different tasks that you have to complete. So let's check like the recent one. So this is the recent one. You just click on view details right here. Now, once you click on view details, just scroll up. You can see this event has ended, so they don't have any ongoing project right here. But these are the requirements for you to participate in this one. So you can see the first one is to create an account and complete your identity verification. Then the next one is to lock 100 USDT in your Bybit funding account. So this means that you must have at least 100 USDT in your Bybit funding account. They are not taking it, they are not using it for anything. Just make sure that you have at least 100 USDT in your funding account. And then once you have that, complete on-chain quest. So they will give you some things that you need to do on-chain. And for this, you need to connect your wallet. So they'll show you the whole process right here. If it's that we have like an ongoing project, I would have checked that to show you an example. So that's for buy starter right there. Now the next one, let's check the next one. So after buy starter, the next one is a launchpad. So this launchpad right here. So like I said earlier, I said if you have been watching my videos for a long time, you should definitely be familiar with launchpad and launchpool because I've been talking about them for a very long time. So this is launchpad right here. So launchpad and launchpool, they are similar and at the same time they are different. So if you remember launchpool that I said earlier, launchpool is for a coin that maybe they launch a coin today and they are making you to actually come and buy that coin today. So they reward you for investing in that coin early. I hope you get that's for launchpool. Now for this one that is launchpad, they reward you for investing in that coin before it is launched. So that means that you get access to the coin before it is even launched to the public. So you can see it right here, launchpad, you can see gain early access to tokens from promising projects. So you can see right here exactly what I said. They are gaining early access to that project or to that coin. So you can see right here, they don't have any ongoing project right now, but this was the recent one that they just completed. And for this one, it is Xstar Launchpad. Now for Xstar, you can also subscribe with your MNT or you can subscribe with your USDT if you have any of the two. And then at the end of the duration, they calculate how much you invested in it, and that is what will determine the airdrop that you get. I hope you get it. So it's as simple as that. Now the next one after Launchpad is airdrop hunt. Yeah, this is it right here. Airdrop hunt. So let's check it out. Now for this airdrop hunt, you also have to perform tasks for a chance to win tokens right there. And these are the different projects. So they don't have any ongoing project too. These are different projects right here that you can earn. So you can always see for the other projects right there. So that's for airdrop hunt. Now the next one and the last one is by vote. So let me click on it right here. So to get airdrop right here from by vote spot, for this one you just need to hold USDT, USDC, USDE, USDD, DAI or CUSD to be able to vote for your favorite tokens and stand to win airdrops. So that means that one of these coins right here, these stable coins, just one of them, you must have them in your spot wallet or in your wallet on the Bybit app. Once you have them, just come here to this page and you'll be able to have access to vote. And the higher you vote or the more you vote, then the more airdrop you have the chance to win right here. So those are the 8 ways you can get access to airdrop on Bybit every day on this Spot X page on the Bybit app. Now, to be very honest, a lot of people never knew that this feature existed or is existing on the Bybit app. So now that you know it, make sure you go ahead and participate in this. Now, let's look at some of the ongoing projects. So you can see right here for Token Splash, we have about 9 or 10 ongoing projects that we can look at. So let me click on Token Splash right there. So you can see this first one, trade bill to earn. This one is on the alpha trading page. This one, deposit or trade bill to earn on the spot trading page right here. So for this one, new users can also participate in it. And I think old users can also participate in it. Let me show you so that you don't think I'm just saying. So this one right here is for current users or users that are already on Bybit. And if you come here to new user exclusive, this one is for new users only. Now, the one for new users, you can see right here, your task is simple. So it says right here, task 1, deposit at least 8,000 bill tokens or deposit 100 USDT and trade 100 USDT of bill on your first spot trade. So that means that you go ahead, create an account, and don't forget to use the link in the description below. Once you create an account, go ahead to deposit money into your Bybit account, at least $100, and then go ahead and use $100 to buy a bill token on the spot trading page, and it should be your first trade on the spot trading page. Now, once you've done that, you can earn 2,500 bill tokens. So if you go back, you can see other projects that are currently available right here on the SportX page. So that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video or learned something from this video, please like this video, drop a comment below, subscribe to the YouTube channel, share this video with your friends, and don't forget, if you don't have a Bybit account, use the first link in the description of this video, or just check the pinned comment of this video for the link to create your Bybit account. And if you also want to join my Signal group or my Telegram group, the links are in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.